In this video, you will learn how to withdraw money from your Fidelity 401k. First, log in. Log into your Fidelity account. Go to the Fidelity website and open the app. Then log in using your username and your password. Go to your 401k account. From the dashboard, select your 401k account under Accounts. Click on Withdrawals or Loans and Withdrawals. Look for a section labelled Withdrawals, Loan and Withdrawals or similar. Choose withdrawal type. Select the type of withdrawal you want, such as early, after retirement or hardship. Enter the withdrawal amount. Input how much money you wish to withdraw from your 401k account. Review tax withholdings. Decide how much tax you'd like withheld now to avoid a larger tax bill later. Submit your request. Review all information carefully, then confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Wait for processing. Fidelity typically takes withdrawal processes with a few business days. You can choose direct deposit or have a check mailed to you. Now you know how to withdraw money or funds from your Fidelity 401k. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.